SparkanautsTV.
Oh, hi everybody! Welcome to another episode of SparkanautsTV. Today I've got another letter on my hand. Can you guess what letter I'm holding on to? That's right, it's the letter B. Shall we all say it together? B. Very good job. Now I'm going to teach you the letter B by singing my uppercase B song. Uppercase B looks really cool. It has a straight line down and two little bumps. Boop, boop. That's uppercase B. Shall we sing it together? Here we go.
A stick and a bump bump makes big B. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? A stick and a bump bump makes big B. Oops, it stung me. A stick and a bump bump makes big B. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? A stick and a bump bump makes big B. Oops, it stung me.
And that's uppercase B, alright? Now, uppercase B has a friend. Do you know who that is? That's right, it's the lowercase b. Now, lowercase b and uppercase b makes the same sound, but lowercase b only has one bump, alright? Now, before I start lowercase b, I would like you to try something. Shall we all put our lips together like that? And we're going to make the B sound together. It goes B, B, B. Can you try it? B, B, B. Now let's say it really fast. Ready? B, 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 B. Stop! And now let's do it slowly. B, B, B. That's right. I think you've got it. Now let's sing lowercase b together. Shall we? Here we go.
A stick and a circle makes small b. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? A big stick and a circle makes small b. Oops, it stung me.
Fly like a bee.
B. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? B. Oops, it stung me.
And that's lowercase b for you. Can I hear the sound B makes one more time? Very good. Put your lips together and go B, B, B. You've got it! Now, I would like to show you some nouns beginning with the letter B. Shall we look at it together? We have bicycle, bicycle, binoculars, binoculars. Ooh, that's a little bit far. I can't see the bird in the tree. What do we need to use? Binoculars. Now everybody put two circles. Make two circles with your fingers. Put it across your eyes. I can see better. Binoculars, right? Bulldozer, bulldozer. Bee, bee. What sound does a bee make? It goes buzz, buzz. Ouch! It stung me, right? And we have bucket, bucket. And those are my nouns beginning with the letter B. This time, I'm going to show you verbs beginning with the letter B. Don't forget, verbs are action words. Shall we look at them together? We have bathe the baby, bathe the baby. Oh, my baby's a little bit dirty. Can you help me bathe him? Let's scrub his hair. Wash, 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 wash. Scrub his body. Wash, 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 wash. Now he smells great. That's bathe a baby. Borrow a book. Borrow a book. Blow big bubbles. Blow big bubbles. I need your help. When I count to 3, we're going to blow big bubbles together. Shall we? 1, 2, 3, blow! That's a very big bubble! Blow big bubbles. Bat a baseball. Bat a baseball. Balance on beam. Balance on beam. And those are verbs beginning with the letter B. Today, I've got my little friend. Everybody say, "Hi, Mr. Bear." Hello, Mr. Bear. And Mr. Bear has a letter for us, which is uppercase B, right? Before we grab our markers, let's take out our magic fingers. And you're going to write big B with me. Let's start from the top and make a straight line down. Whee! And go bum, bum. Bum, bum. One more time, everybody. Start from the top, straight line down. Whee! And make bum, bum. Bum, bum. Very good job. Now, everybody grab your markers. And let's write B together, shall we? We start from the top, straight line down. Whee! And don't forget your bump, bump. Bump, bump. Very good job. One more time, shall we? Straight line down. Fantastic. And 2 bumps. Bump, bump. That's a happy Mr. Bear. I'm going to turn my page. Hi! I've got a bumblebee, and this time Mr. Bumblebee has a lowercase b. So we're going to try it with our magic fingers again, shall we? Start from the top, make a straight line down, and just 1 bump this time at the bottom. Whoop! Very good. One more time, straight line down, and a small bump at the bottom. Whoop! Very good job. Let's try it with our markers now. Let's make a big line down. Stop! And make a circle at the bottom. Whee! One more time. Big line down. Stop! And a circle at the bottom. Very good job. You just learned how to write the letter B, alright? I had fun today and I hope you did too. See you next time on another episode of SparkanautsTV.